Hello traders, welcome back to another video of Trade with Vlogs. We are in a challenge of converting $70 to $1,000 only using copy trading. As you all know, I have invested $70 in the HFT trading strategy. Currently, our equity is at 80.15 as you can see here, and our profit is at $10.91, and we have shared a total profit of $9.15. If I go to the details, there are no open positions currently. If you go to the history, you can see small profits because the lot size is very less comparatively, 0.0004. There are losses, there are profits. So today I will be withdrawing the profit, a profit of $10. Let's see, remove funds. So we'll be withdrawing $10 today. 10.91. Let's withdraw the full profit. Let's update. So currently, if you see our balance, it's 69.24. We have withdrawn the profit of 10.91. So if you go to the fund section, you can see that in our copy trading account we have the $10.91 available. So we have been monitoring here, so I'll be updating this withdrawal also, because the equity has been performing well and it has gone below. I will be trying to protect my capital by withdrawing small amounts. Maybe by the end of a week, every week I'll be withdrawing some partial money, thereby we'll be able to protect our capital.
If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel and like this video and share with your trader friends. We also have a Telegram channel where we update all our portfolio details, and we are working on an expert advisor and indicators which you can use free of course. So don't forget to join our Telegram channel. All the links are in the description.